Hey guys, I finally installed the Garmin on my 2019 Yamaha Fx Ho Wave Runner. This was a full kit I purchased on eBay, and I'll put a link in the description in case you want to purchase the same one. They also have a more affordable option from the same seller if you're interested in that. Here's the one I purchased. It's the EchoMap UHD 63 CV transducer. This transducer does more features than I really even needed to do. I mainly wanted the GPS function, which you can do GPS, and the depth finder is super nice. That's something I've always wanted to have. That's the main reason. I don't really need the fish finder aspect of it, and I'm not sure how well it's going to work through the whole setup I have anyways. I'll show you guys the setup here. So this was all included in the kit. It came with this plate here, and I did have to assemble it all. It came with this support. This all came in the Garmin box here. And so I did feed my wires through. This comes with those slots in it from the factory. There's also a slot in the bottom of the cup holder from the factory as well to run your wires. And then I'll show you this. This slot, this little thing right here, it just slides up to hold your wires in place. So if you need to disconnect it, you just slide this upwards and you can disconnect your wires. And if you want to pull your screen out and take it with you somewhere, you can do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut it off. This kit did come with a cigarette lighter. That's what I call it, because that's what they used to be back in the day. But I installed it's a 12 volt cigarette lighter type port. You can end up using that as like a phone charger or any type, whatever USB connector you want to add into it. I had to buy this hole dozer in order to install the cigarette lighter type option. And I did have to buy this duct seal putty in order to do this setup I'm going with. So once you run your cigarette lighter through here, your wires, here's all my wiring. This wiring goes through this little rubber boot here, down into the engine bay. It just has a little zip tie on there that's reusable, so you just release it. You can feed your wires for your transducer and the power through this. Then you just run them along. The wires come out up this way. This is my wire for my power. Feed it back to the battery. I put one zip tie here so far just to help hold it up. And don't mind my 2x4 setup because this battery I purchased was a little shorter than the original. So next time I buy a battery, I'll try to get one that's back to the factory height, so I don't need to run this 2x4. But yeah, I just got my positive and my negative set up there. Now for the transducer cable, I'm not doing the transom mount setup. I'm trying to run through hole setup. But this is the mount. This is the transducer that came with the kit. So it just see if I can get this down in there enough to show you. There's my transducer right here. I used the duct seal to press the transducer down. And I know this is not probably the most ideal or recommended spot, but it's the flattest spot I could find. Even though it's towards the front of the ski. I will test this out and see how well it works for you guys, but this is kind of a temporary setup. I'll see how well it holds up. It may last for a while. If this does end up working well, eventually I may purchase the through-hole transducer and mount it more securely. I think the next step is to put this all back together and go test it out. Alright guys, finally made it out to test out the new Garmin and the depth finder. The in-hole transducer seems to be working well. Some fish jumping around here in the water. We could probably pick them up. Alright, check out the screen. 13.8 foot here. The depth finder is working well inside the hole. So I'm gonna keep rolling with that setup, and you know, now I've got GPS speed. The nice thing is I also have a clock here. I do not have a clock on my factory dash. 2019 did not have a clock on it. My water temp is not accurate because it's inside the hole. Couldn't be happier with the setup, and I mean, this thing's gonna be amazing when I start hitting the lakes and areas that I'm not familiar with, and I'll be able to have that GPS to help guide me around, and